Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today, I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the iQOO Z11 Turbo, and this is yet another excellent option from iQOO for the market. Alright guys, it's a really good device with excellent specs and costing half the price of the competition. For those of you living in Europe, there will be a link to buy this guy here directly from Trading Shenzhen, the same store where I bought this smartphone. You'll get it delivered quickly to your home without paying any extra fees. Alright, check it out here. And for those in Brazil, just join our very important person group through the link in the video description. Also, you can participate in the giveaway for this guy, which is the 16GB RAM version with 1TB of storage. Remember that shipping and fees are paid directly by me. Don't forget to leave your like, which is really important. Check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it to help us out. Alright, now let's get to our unboxing initial review with first impressions. Today we have another launch, the iQOO Z11 Turbo. Let's go to the video, let's do this. Starting the unboxing, it's a black box with the name iQOO Z highlighted on the side label. We have the product version, and this one, as I told you, is the 16GB RAM version with 1TB. Remember that this smartphone was released only in the Chinese version, which means it doesn't have Brazilian Portuguese, only European Portuguese. It's easy and you don't need to worry about Google services. Everything will work fine. I'll even send it pre-installed to the winner's home. Opening the box, we see the smartphone, and below it, a clear silicone case and a quick start guide. And underneath, we have a USB Type-C charging and data transfer cable on both ends, an ejector pin, and to finish, a 100-watt turbocharger, which is really awesome. And now, with the beast already in hand and fully set up, we have a 6.59-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode screen with a 144Hz refresh rate, over 1 billion high dynamic range colors, and a maximum brightness of 5,500 nits. It has a very comfortable grip, it's not very compact, it weighs 202 grams and is 7.9 millimeters thick. And this white color looks really beautiful. It matches perfectly with its camera module. It definitely deserves that awesome slap. On the right side of the back, there's the power button and the volume up and down buttons. On the top, there's a microphone, a noise reducer, and a stereo sound output. Left side, nothing. And on the bottom, there's a dual nano SIM tray, 5G SIM card microphone, USB Type-C connection, and stereo sound output. The artificial intelligence that comes installed on it is Bloom AI. It has several features including functions like your personal assistant, but some information is all in Chinese, so we can't use it. And just to be sure, install Gemini and ChatGPT as well, which will run smoothly on this device. And you can use them as a personal assistant, even for photo editing, whatever you want, it will work just fine too. But of course, the device also has that photo editing feature, which is working really well too. Now guys, check this out about the battery. We have 7,600 mAh of silicon carbon. Look at how thin this device is. The battery is insane. It's really impressive. 21 hours basically with the screen on in the PC Mark test, which will easily give you more than 15 or 16 hours of screen time for your daily use. In other words, it lasts the whole day on a single charge without needing to recharge. And depending on your usage, you can even get up to 2 days away from the charger, which is really awesome. Now, when you need to charge it, guys, it has 100 watts of charging power. In the blink of an eye, in just 10 minutes, you'll already have almost 50% battery, which is really great too. Now, let's move on to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor test, which is 3 nanometers. It scored 3,092 points on AnTuTu, which is a monstrous score, reaching a maximum temperature of 45.2 degrees and losing only 1% of battery. Now, do you understand why I'm saying this guy's battery is insane? It only lost 1%, that's surreal. Now let's run some footage playing with it. You can see the graphics settings here in Call of Duty Mobile. If I set it to Ultra, it drops the top one to medium, and if I set it to Max, at most, both stay at maximum. You can see this during the game. Alright guys, it's running really smoothly, really well, very fluid, no problems at all, no lag, no delay, nothing, everything is going very smoothly. The processor is delivering a lot for this device. You don't need to worry about that. You'll have a top processor for a long time. It comes with IP68 and IP69 certification, supporting high-pressure water jets and submersion up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. Guys, it's a regular device. Look at its certification, man. How does it handle? It handles so much. And of course, as I always say, it's an extra layer of protection. Take care of your device, because this is worth some money and it's too beautiful for you to be taking risks. It's just an extra layer of protection that the manufacturer provides for us. As for the operating system, we have Origin Operating System 6 running with Android 16 on the device. It also has near-field communication connectivity for making contactless payments. Working well, not just in Spain but in Brazil too. And as you can see, Android Auto is also running smoothly, perfectly, with no issues at all. The fingerprint unlock on the screen and facial unlock are both working very well. Both of them are also very fast. There are 5 versions of this guy here. 12 gigabyte of RAM with 256 gigabyte, 12 gigabyte of RAM with 512 gigabyte, 16 gigabyte with 256 gigabyte, and 16 gigabyte with 512 gigabyte. And the one I have in my hand is 16 gigabyte of RAM with 1 terabyte of storage. It doesn't support memory expansion, and it takes 2 5G Nano SIM cards, and it also doesn't support eSIM connection. And now let's go to its audio and video test. Let's go, guys, audio and video test. With the iQOO Z11 Turbo Quality Advanced 2160p, let's turn its brightness all the way up and the audio too, already at maximum. Let's rotate the screen here. Use the pinch gesture, and there it is for you. Look, very good stereo. Guys, the audio and image of this smartphone are really top-notch, man. Its screen is just beautiful, and the stereo sound is very loud with great quality too. I really liked it. The audiovisual experience on this device was very good. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the front, we have a 32 megapixels one, recording in 4K at 60 FPS. Let's now show some photos and videos taken with its front camera. Music. And here it is, guys, recording. Now with the iQOO Z11 Turbo, the front camera at 4K at 60 FPS. Look here, the sun is shining right on my face, and now the sun is hitting from behind. It's good that we can test the high dynamic range here. Let's do that now. You can see the sky all blue, the clouds. Now let's move into the shade. And look how amazing. The sky is still there in the background. It focused on me here, and the sky is still blue. Look how awesome that is, huh? That's incredible. Congratulations to iQOO. They did a great job, really great job giving you a spin here. Here, let's walk a little. You can see the stabilization is amazing now too. Man, look, everything here is uneven, you see? I do the tests here. Of course, the place is beautiful, but it's really to test the cameras. Look at this awesome stabilization on the front camera. Look at the amazing job iQOO did here. Stabilization, high dynamic range, and also a very good, very beautiful image quality. For me, man, this is awesome. Congratulations. It really impressed me. Really good, guys. No comments. This front camera recording in 4K at 60 FPS with high dynamic range for video and photo stabilization, man, on the front camera. That's unreal. The device did an amazing job. And now let's go to the back, which has 2 cameras, a main one with 200 megapixels and optical image stabilization, which is incredible, and a second one, an 8 megapixel ultra wide. And all of this also records in 4K at 60 FPS. Now let's check out some photos and videos taken with its rear cameras. Music. And we're here now, guys. Rear camera of the iQOO Z11 Turbo 4K 60 with stabilization enabled. Look how awesome this is, man. Look how awesome. Really good. They did a great job with both the front and rear cameras. Here I'm shaking a lot. This ground is really bad to walk on, man, and it stabilizes. Look how awesome. Look how awesome. Let's apply a 4K 60 zoom, huh? 10 times. Look at the water over there. I walk by there. I record right there. All the time. Look at that, huh? Really awesome. Really awesome. It's right there for you guys, man. Rear camera of the iQOO Z11 Turbo. They did a great job. Congratulations, iQOO. Let's check the focus here. Really fast too. Awesome, man. They did a great job with the cameras. Congratulations, guys. I really like the rear cameras on this device. 4K at 60 with stabilization. It really surprised me. And the zoom for photos too with great quality. I liked it a lot. Share your thoughts on this device's front and rear cameras in the comments. Now let's move to the final summary of pros and cons. In my opinion, let's start with the positive points, starting with the processor, which is a beast, really top. The battery is amazing, also insane. 100-watt charger, active matrix organic light emitting diode screen, 5,500 nits of brightness, which is really good. Stereo sound, rear and front cameras as well. And most importantly, to wrap it up, its price is really impressive. How does iQOO manage to deliver so much quality for such a low price? And I'll mention as a negative point the lack of wireless charging, the absence of wireless charging. But also, guys, I'll say it again, for this price, it's already delivering way more than it should for this amount. But anyway, I thought the device was really great, and I want to know your opinion. Comment down below what you think about this device. Before you leave, don't forget to leave your like if you didn't do it at the beginning. Check if you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it with everyone. All right, we're together, guys. Thank you all so much. God bless you. A big hug, and see you next time. Thanks, I'm out.